We use Mylands paints, a couple of reasons really.
London based.
Based in London, family business.
Lovely selection of colours. Big selection as well.
Yeah, really big selection. So we've got some popular colours. Borough Market and Bond Street are our most popular.
Definitely our two most popular, dark blue and dark green.
Yeah.
If you look on our website, a lot of kitchens you'll see in this. Two really nice colours.
So nice colours to pair those with if you're thinking of doing a separate colour island compared to or upper cabinetry would be...
I'm a fan of Sloane Square.
One.
It goes really nicely, especially with the Bond Street, but also with the Borough Market. Just a really nice off-white going towards grey.
I'm always a fan of pinks. So Threadneedle and Kensington Rose look really nice as well. Although we have a client who's about to do Plum Tree in Borough Market. So going a bit darker and dark.
Dark and dark, pretty cool.
I think that would be amazing. If you're looking for a lighter colour, so popular light colours that we have, or ones that always look quite nice. Holland Park, Vitrovia,
Ludgate Circus.
Ludgate Circus.
Lots of really nice light colours that will just make...
Oh, Sloane Square. That's
Sloane
a
Square's
popular
my
one.
favourite, yeah.
How about blues? Blues are quite popular.
Yeah, so the Bond Street's our most popular dark blue. My favourite, the Maritime, which we have our larder painted in, which you can see on another video or pictures. It's like a really nice bluey grey, so not too blue.
Well, I like morning blue, and it is like a bright blue. But I think it's quite, I don't know, I just think it's really nice and stunning and makes a statement.
We have the canteen painted that, don't we?
Yeah, the canteen in the workshop is painted this colour, and we've paired it with brass. So one thing to think about with colours is if you're going for a cool colour, maybe use you need something warmer in the space as well. So a brass helps with that, or a wooden floor helps with that. Or even if you're using a worktop with a bang.
One of the big questions we get asked all the time is what materials do we use? For our doors we use a combination of maple, accoya and tulip wood, depending on the part and the size of the door. The cabinets themselves, we either use an MFC and we lip everything in solid oak, so any edge you see is solid oak. We do have the option of a oak veneer ply as well. And again, we will still lip all edges in solid oak.
So as well as the oak material, we've also got walnut for the internals. Drawers, here we've got a solid walnut dovetail drawer box, and then the carcassing would match that. So you've got the option of a light timber and also a dark.
So a great way to add texture to a kitchen, or like a splash of colour, is tiles, and they are quite popular recently, really in the last year. So depends on how brave you're feeling, but so if you want something that's quite neutral, it's just going to add some texture. Think about doing something simple like this, but it has ridges in it, so it's gonna add some texture, some shine. The lily pad tile has been, popular now for a couple of years. It's nice, it's a little bit of fun, but still has a lot of colour. Something a little different. Oh, this one. The Tangier is always nice. It adds quite a lot of like nice blues and yellows, and you can pull it in, especially if you have Bond Street as one of your colours. That's always nice. I think the best thing with tiles is to get a sample. So order a sample from us, bring it home, play around with your different colours, your worktops, your handles, and see what you think works best. The good thing about tiles is you can change them in the future. So if you decide you don't like that pattern or that colour anymore, you can just change it, take it out.